Hello, food lovers. Today I'm preparing a simple Kenyan classic, Kales, the new breed of Sukuma Wiki. This is one of the easiest and most affordable meals you can make at home. I'll be serving it with ugali, of course. So let's get cooking. This is the pan we are going to use. So we are going to start off by heating oil in our pan. And now we're going to add in our chopped onions and cook until soft and slightly golden. We are going to go in with our mboga. Now we're going to turn and let the mboga mix well. And now we're going to go in with our salt for taste, of course. And remembering I'm a Royco cube person, we're going to add in Royco cube and we're going to stir it well. And our mboga will be done and ready. Remember, do not overcook Sukuma Wiki so it stays green and nutritious. Yeah. Now, let's cook ugali. As usual, I say you boil water in a sphere. Slowly add maize flour while stirring. Keep stirring to avoid lumps. Let it cook and become firm. Turn it and cook both sides well. Mambo kayo. Of course, ugali is just, I don't know, everyone has the way they do their thing, but at the end of the day, ugali, mtu wangu sima ni sima, so yes. And this is our simple Sukuma Wiki served with ugali, affordable, delicious, and perfect for any day. See you in the next one.